Let's go to the main menu and click Guides. In the search box at the top, type in Passage and Guide, 2 words. You'll see a menu below under Guides labeled Passage Guide. Go ahead and click that menu choice. The Passage Guide is open in our layout. At the top left, in the Bible reference box, type in EPH space 2 space 8. This is just a reminder to let you know that you don't have to type in the full book name nor the colon. The first 3 letters of any book of the Bible is sufficient. Then hit space, then add the chapter, then hit space again, and then the verse. Logos will confirm your entry with the drop-down menu, in this case Ephesians 2:8. Go ahead and click that menu choice. Now the passage guide has begun to run. As we've demonstrated in previous videos, we want to right-click on the first section and collapse all the menus so that Logos doesn't slow our computer down. So go ahead and right-click on the section Your Content as seen here. Choose from the menu, Collapse All. Next, locate the commentary section, which is the second section, and click to expand that section. Our commentary section is expanded. Currently, priority is My Current View. You can see that it's bolded in black and there's a red underline. This order is based on prioritization. Let me show you where that is in Logos. But instead of opening the library window, we're going to drag it into our layout just to the right of our passage guide. Let me demonstrate. I'm going to left click and hold my left mouse button down on the library icon and then drag the library icon just to the right of the passage guide. You do the same. The library window is now in our layout to the right. Locate the stoplight menu, that is the 3 vertical dots, and click it at the right as seen here. Choose from the menu Prioritize Resources. Now we'll cover this feature in more detail, but for now I wanted to show you my Prioritize Resources. Notice how at the bottom I have the Bible Knowledge Commentary, the New American Commentary, and the Word Biblical Commentary. If you look at the left at my passage guide, we see the same order. The Bible Knowledge Commentary, we don't see the New American Commentary, but we do see the Word Biblical Commentary. So, prioritization makes a difference on which resources will appear in the priority list. Let's click and expand the Bible Knowledge Commentary by clicking here on the triangle. The commentary is expanded and we get the initial information from the beginning of that passage. If we actually click on the verses 8 and 9, our commentary would open up. Let's go ahead and click the triangle to collapse this information. Let's explore the other commentary views. Therefore, click on Series next. Series will essentially sort your commentaries by alphabetical order. Next, let's click Author. Logos is now sorting all the commentaries by the last name of the author. Let's go ahead and click and expand Barclay, William. We now can see the commentary that he authored, the New Daily Study Bible, Ephesians 2:4-10. Now, if we were to click the triangle next to this commentary, we would get the detailed information. Let's next click on Denomination View, as seen here. This is actually a very important view. By understanding the denomination behind the commentary, you can begin to understand denominational biases. This is particularly important when, for example, if you're a Protestant and you're looking at Catholic resources or vice versa. Denominational differences can be quite significant when it comes to certain passages. I'm going to go ahead and click and expand Plymouth Brethren. Here we have several commentaries by F.F. Bruce as well as Harry Ironside. Let's click on Type at the top right as seen here. Logos has gone and identified the types of commentaries in your library. Here we have concise, devotional, exegetical, expositional. This can be very useful. And let me add that when you're studying commentaries, it's always best to start with the most concise and then move to the most technical and in-depth. It's much easier to learn new information in smaller bites than it is with large amounts of information when it's all new. Let's go ahead and click on Concise to see what options appear here. Here are 2 concise commentaries, the HCBC and the Tyndale Concise Bible Commentary. Let's click the triangle just to the left of Concise to collapse this section. Let's click our last view, Era, at the top right. Logos is now sorting your commentaries by years. You can see the most recent at the top, Contemporary, and then as we move down the list, we go further back in time. Modern, Reformation, Nicene, and then other older books. Let's go ahead and click on the triangle just to the left of Nicene. Here we can see various authors, including John Chrysostom, Edwards, and others. Let's go over to the top right and click the X on our library icon to close that window. Let's click the first resource under our Nicene list, as seen here. Notice that Logos not only opens the resource, but opens it to our specific passage we're studying, in this case, Ephesians 2:8. So as you can see, having the ability to view your commentaries and arrange them based on prioritization, series, author, denomination, type, and era will make it easier to find specific resources when studying. Let's go ahead and click on the Close All panel icon here at the top right.